बाटो त पुरै सुनसानै छ, मान्छेहरू खासै देखेको छैन. नम्बर 1, first you need to open up. यो दुईटा स्टेज पुरा गरेपछि you can start investing in secondary market as well. So today is 3rd of September and right now it's 8:34 in the morning. Government has decided to increase the lockdown for one more week. So hello and namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am recording a vlog. आज चाहिँ के सोचेको भने let's make this vlog a little bit informative हैन. So I will share some knowledge, so please stick with me in this vlog. So अब चाहिँ I am going to do a quick exercise. So yeah, I will see you guys after I am done with my exercise. So yeah, I'm finally done with my exercise. I did a quick 25-minute exercise and पुरै थाकिसके. तर yeah, you feel very good after you're done with it. So thumbs up for this. आज घाम चाहिँ एकदम कडा रहेछ. Let me carry my umbrella. So yeah, I'm finally done with my shower and breakfast गर्न पनि भइसक्यो. So अहिले चाहिँ I am going at stationery shop. एउटा सामान किन्न छ. According to new modality 11 बजेसम्म शप्सहरू ओपन हुनुपर्ने, तर let's see stationery shop ओपन छ कि छैन. मेरो घरबाट 5 minutes walk छ, so म अहिले त्यहीँ जाँदैछु. So here मेरो भाइले मलाई जोइन गरेछ. छाता लिएर निस्केको. ठ्याक्कै क्लाउड रहेछ, घाम चाहिँ छैन खासै. सो छाता चाहिँ हातमै छ. बाटो त पुरै सुनसानै छ, मान्छेहरू खासै देखेको छैन, खाली खाली छ. कहिले सकिन्छ यो कोरोना हाइट, फकिङ बोर्ड. So almost पुग्नै लागिसक्यो. त्यहाँ तल छ टप, आई थिङ्क खुल्लै छ. सो गुड न्युज. सो या मैले चाहिँ एउटा म्याग्नेटिक व्हाइट बोर्ड सानो किने हैन. किन चाहिँ किने, आई विल से यु आफ्टर आई रिच माई होम. सो सी यु आफ्टर आई रिच माई होम. So yeah, I'm finally back home and right now I am sitting on my study table. Did you guys know that Nepalको stock market is open only 5 days a week? Sunday देखि लिएर Thursday सम्म, and you can trade, you can buy and sell shares in secondary market from 11 AM in the morning to 3 PM सम्म. One thing I regret is कि I started investing in share market very late. के I just wish हुन्छ नि I should have started investing आफ्नो +2 देखि नै, or maybe bachelor's पढिरहेको बेला. I had done my bachelor education specialization in marketing, so I used to thought share भनेको कुरा त फाइनेन्सको कुरा, and हामी जस्तो मार्केटिङ इन्डिभिजुअलले कामै लाग्दैन. बट इट्स नट द थिङ. सेयर मार्केट इज समथिङ द्याट हुन्छ नि एनीबडी क्यान इन्भेस्ट and you can gain financial independence by investing through it. So आजको ब्लगमा what I've decided is I'll share some beginner steps or how you can start investing in shares. यो कुराहरु मलाई नि थाहा थिएन and I learned it myself. It's not a big thing, एकदम basic कुराहरु which I'll share with you, and you can start investing in share market. So I bought this whiteboard, a magnetic board, because these days I've been kinda lazy and somewhat low in motivation. So I bought this so that I'll write every day हुन्छ नि my to do list and I'll hang it somewhere in front of my bed so I can see it every time. So यसको प्लास्टिक अहिले चाहिँ हटाउने. Let's open this. So basically there are two kinds of share market in which you can invest हैन. So I will just divide this two हैन. First मा चाहिँ is a primary market. Primary market. Don't mind my handwriting. Primary market. र अर्को हुन्छ एउटा secondary market. Secondary. So to invest in primary market, so first मा primary market भनेको के हो? So primary market मा basically companies हरुको IPOs र FPOs हरु हुन्छ. IPO भनेको initial public offering हुन्छ. So first time कुनै companyले publicly आफ्नो shares issue गरे नि you can apply as an IPO हैन. So IPOs नेपालमा usually at the rate of per share 100 rupees मा 100 rupees को rate मा हुन्छ नि they issue it हैन. So the first thing you need to do is open a bank account. Okay, number one. First you need to open a bank account. I know almost सबैजनाको bank account already नै होला, but if you don't have हैन, first open a bank account. आजकल यो लकडाउन को बेला धेरै बैंकहरुले अनलाइन नै फर्म भरेर you can open a bank account हैन. So bank account open गरेपछि त्यही बैंकमा you need to open a demat account. Second step is open demat account. So demat account भनेको के हो? Like जसरी हामीले बैंकमा लाइक पैसा हामीले सेभ गर्छौं नि, पैसा हामी डिपोजिट गर्छौं, त्यसरी नै demat account is account for shares हरु के. So shares हरु demat account मा इलेक्ट्रोनिकली स्टोर हुन्छ. And if you buy हैन तपाईको if you buy any share demat account मा तपाईको डिपोजिट हुन्छ and if you sell तपाईको demat account बाट डिक्रिज हुन्छ. So just a electronic account हैन जसमा तपाईको सब shares हरु स्टोर हुन्छ. So after you make a demat account you need to get a CRN number र मेरो share को account मेरो share account. So यो demat account चाहिँ तपाईले यो bank account भएकोमै तपाईले बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. You can make your demat account in the bank where you have your bank account because most of the banks in Nepal issues demat account हैन. And you can complete all of these three steps अहिले घरमै बसेर because most of the bank are providing this first facilities online मै हैन. So यो तीनटा स्टेज भएपछि जब कम्पनीहरुले IPO निकाल्छ नि you can go to Mero Shares website and using the CRN number you can fill for IPOs. So let's go to secondary market मा चाहिँ कसरी इन्भेस्ट गर्ने. Secondary market मा नि इन्भेस्ट गर्न is very simple. After you have done these three steps हैन half of your work is done. So secondary market मा इन्भेस्ट गर्न first thing is you need to make a broker account. Broker account. Broker भनेको तपाई एउटा फ्यासिलिटेटर हो के जसले तपाईले शेयर सेकेन्डरी मार्केटमा किनबेच गर्न हेल्प गर्छ. First let me say what is secondary market. And if you don't know, secondary market is तपाईले प्राइमरी मार्केटमा किनेको शेयर्सहरु फेरि if you need to buy and sell हुन्छ नि you trade in secondary market. So shortly भन्दा त्यही हो secondary market भनेको हैन. So first you open a broker account. Broker is just a facilitator who helps you to buy and sell the shares हैन. So broker account कहाँ बनाउने भनेपछि there are like lots of there are more than 40-50 brokers हरु. So don't quote me on this, I don't know the exact number हैन, but you can get a broker account. You can search in Google हुन्छ नि and you can get a broker and contact them. तिनीहरुले अनलाइन नै बनाइदिन्छ हैन अकाउन्ट अहिले त. First broker account बनाउने बेलामा requirements मा demat account चाहिन्छ which we already have made हैन, which we have already made over here. And अहिले त लकडाउन नै छ so हुन्छ नि you can't go to brokers to trade हैन. So you need to get a TMS account. TMS बनाउनु पर्छ. So TMS भनेको trade management system which is just a online सो टिएमएस भनेको इज जस्ट अ अनलाइन वे टु ट्रेड यर सेयर होइन. टिएमएस अकाउन्ट नै ब्रोकरले नै तपाईँले बनाइन्छ. तिनीहरूलाई लेट देम नो द्याट यु निड टु मेक अ TMS account and they will give you a form, or they will provide you a form and you can fill it up and you can make that account online itself. And you can scan your documents and send them, and after that if you do it as sales product, you can start investing in secondary market as well. Tara most of the brokersहरूले अहिले त phone call money they are trading, and I don't know everybody does this or not, but my broker you can call them and you can just say them you want to buy this shares and or you want to sell these shares, and you can buy and sell shares through phone itself होइन. So yeah, यही स्टेप्सहरू हो. You can start easily investing in primary and secondary share market. So I just want you guys to know that investing in share market is not a very difficult thing. Then if you know 10th standard mathematics, you are good to start. You are very good to start with investing in share market. A few basics are जान्नु पर्छ which you can eventually know, but yeah. So if you guys also want to know detail मा हैन कसरी, so मेरो शेयर ओपन गरेर कसरी IPO मा इन्भेस्ट गर्ने और सेकेन्डरी मार्केटको टिएमएस अनलाइन अकाउन्ट कसरी खोलेर बाई सेल गर्ने हो भने प्लिज लेट मी नो. आई विल मेक another video regarding this, or you can also comment down below your questions if you have any confusion and I will clear it out. So I urge, I request, I suggest जे भन्दा नि हुन्छ, but do start investing in share market. This information is for only the new investors who have no idea कसरी start गर्ने, कसरी के गर्ने. So I made this information blog for those who want to start investing but they are lazy to start. So yeah, do start investing. And so yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys like today's video, and there's a red subscribe button down over there. Please do press it and support me, and I'll see you guys soon in next video. So bye bye, take care of yourself and peace out.